Our QR code review question 2 asks us to identify the vertices and foci of the hyperbola equation y squared over 49 minus x squared over 32 is equal to 1. So very similar to question 1, we know that the standard form of the equation is y squared over a squared minus x squared over b squared is equal to 1. Our center is at the origin, 0, 0, and our transverse axis lies on the y-axis. So let's go ahead and find our vertices first. So in order to do that, we would need to find a and b. And from the equation, we see that we only have a squared, which is 49, and b squared, which is 32. So let's take the square root of a squared is equal to 49. And we get a is equal to 7. Let's do the same thing with b squared is equal to 32. Taking the square root, we get b is equal to 4 radical 2. Since our transverse axis lies on the y-axis, our vertices will also be on the y-axis. So our vertices can be identified as 0 plus minus a. So our 0 will be our x point and a will be our y point. We do not need to worry about b in this case. B will not be relevant. So let's go ahead and plug in our a is equal to 7 onto our y point. And we will get 2 points, 0, positive 7, and then 0, comma, negative 7. Once we find our two vertice points, we will go ahead and look for our foci. So in order to find the foci, which is the distance between the center to each focus, we can use the formula c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, where c squared would need to be simplified to find c, and that will be our two foci points. So our goal here is to simplify this equation to get to c. So let's go ahead and plug in our a squared and b squared. We know that this is 49 plus 32. C squared is equal to 81. Let's take the square root to solve for c. So c is equal to 9. So our foci is identified as 0, comma, plus minus c. Plugging in c is equal to 9 onto here, we get 0, comma, plus minus 9. So we will have 1 point at 0, comma, 9, and then 1 point at 0, comma, negative 9.